Alright folks, we off on another little adventure today. I got a ditch up here at the church that, well, it's about the first project I did. Cleaned it out whenever I got that excavator about a year ago, and it was about, the pipe was about half full of mud. It was just built up over the years, so cleaned it out, and in the process the end, right around the end of the pipe washed out. Well, over the last year it washed out, so got a bunch of extra dirt laid up here. Unfortunately, the only reason the graveyard has extra dirt is because, well, you know. But got some extra dirt piled up here, so I'm gonna see if I can stack those blocks back around into that pipe and move some of this dirt over there and try to make it look good again. So get busy. So there's the ditch we cleaned out about a year ago. It leveled out good and it's growing back some little grass. That's cool, but that's the mess I need to clean up. Don't have to be pretty, just has to be functional. Take 3 or 4 bucket loads to fill that thing up. I originally told those guys to put the dirt on the other side. They didn't understand my directions and they started making a pile here. So I need to move all this dirt when we get done, and maybe we can get them to understand to put it on the other side out of the way next time. I need just a little bit more. A little bit more. A little more aggravating to dig into these piles because they've been here a while and they're settled in. So you got to gear down so you can really get a bite. But we'll get it. Bit of a low spot right there, so probably going to waste the rest of it right in here. Put the clay down first. Put that, looks like a little bit of topsoil in that pile, one of those piles there, so we'll put that on top. We'll do the best we can, make use of it. We're actually in the market for a new sign, digital sign. If anybody's got suggestions, we'll certainly take them into consideration. We got a couple prices already, but trying to figure out what to do there. That sign that's up there was made by my great uncle, and I think, well, him and his brother. And see what that's. Oh, I threw a little dirt in the ditch. Oh well, it happens. Alright. Unfortunately, it is shovel time. Way too sandy. Alright, maybe we get lucky and get this little rain shower on that today. Pack it down. That would be awesome. Now, let's go move the rest of that dirt. Alright, it's going to be just a whole bunch of scattering out, and maybe try to level up a little bit with this box blade. So I'm gonna set you up on time lapse, and we'll see how it goes. We couldn't have timed that much better with the rain, so we got the pile cleaned up, access back to that driveway. Got all that extra dirt scattered in that low spot there. We leveled it up pretty good. I was hoping to have time to do a little raking, but that don't work so well in the rain, so we're gonna call that good enough. And that rain should definitely help settle the end of that ditch where we moved that dirt, because it's real sandy, but once it gets rained on, it packs pretty well. So anyway, I know that was a quick one, but hey, thanks for joining me. I sure hope to see you next time. Bye, everybody.